How to enable two-factor authentication on Twitter or X account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Twitter and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to your profile at the top left corner. Scroll down and click on Settings and Support. And then head over to Settings and Privacy. Move ahead to Security and Account Access. And once again head over to Security. Well, the option of two-factor authentication will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. It will land you on this interface. You will get to see three different options. One is text message, the another is authentication app, and the next one is security key. You can select any one of it. Let me select text message. All you want to do is toggle on this button. So right here it says, this two-factor authentication method is only available to premium users, which means that if you don't have premium account, then you won't be able to enable the two-factor authentication. So the premium is must needed in order to enable the two-factor authentication, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable the two-factor authentication on Twitter or X account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.